My mother, Roslyn, my sister Kylie and myself left our home in Marmong Point on the 9th of April 1990 on our way to a family holiday, and we ended up having a head-on crash. I think the impact was about almost 200 kilometres an hour, so the fact that anyone survived is just a miracle, really.
Paramedics on the scene were working desperately to stabilise 9-year-old Christie. She'd sustained serious head and spinal injuries. The Westpac rescue helicopter was called to the scene from Newcastle. Christie was flown to the Royal North Shore Hospital at St Leonard's, where she remains in a critical condition.
I don't remember anything about that flight, but I have been told that I became unstable and quite unwell, and that the team at the Westpac chopper had to take measures to bring me back around again and make sure that I'm still here and get me safely to Royal North Shore, and whatever means, they did that. I sustained fractures to my spine, so T10, T11, T12 and L1 were all fairly shattered, and I also sustained internal bleeding, and as a result I lost my left kidney and became a paraplegic. So, yeah. After my accident, I was told by doctors that I wouldn't be able to have an active lifestyle. I was a kid and I was a gymnast. I rode my BMX bike down the biggest hill in our suburb, so I wanted to find something post my accident that gave me that feeling. I saw these girls racing at the Barcelona Paralympics and I thought, that's it, I found it. That's the sport for me. And the rest is really history. 7 Paralympics later, still racing. I have a disability, but I look around and I'm probably one of the fittest, healthiest people in the community despite that, and I have my sport to thank for that.
We often don't hear from past patients, but it's always an absolute pleasure when they come back and reach out to us. It's, we welcome them with open arms. Meeting Christie here today, I hadn't seen since she was 10 years old. It's beautiful. Seeing the people that you've helped lead a normal life, and then it's a bonus when you see the achievements that Christie's achieved, and just to think that we're a small part of that to get her where she is today, it's remarkable.
I actually have no doubt that if it wasn't for that chopper, I wouldn't be here. And the crew on it that recognised that something was going wrong and were able to bring me back, I have no doubt that if it wasn't for that chopper, there would be no Paralympics, there would be no marriage, there would be no kids. So, yeah, I have a lot to be thankful for.